Hey guys, it's me, Soso. The video title was probably a giveaway, but today we're doing Halloween art! Just kidding. We're doing Christmas in July. Am I late to this? Maybe. But who cares? It's still July. If you're anything like me, you'll know how addictive Hallmark movies are. Or just rom-coms in general. Although Christmas in July doesn't necessarily mean romance, most movies incorporate some element of it. I did a lot of extensive research on this topic and studied how they format their movie covers. I didn't want to do a Christmas cover redraw, so I found a movie title generator and decided to just make up a random movie that doesn't exist yet. Maybe it will one day. Who knows? Actually, I found two movie generators, but the second one kind of scared me. Nope. No. I decided that one movie cover would be a rom-com and the other one would be a little more heartwarming and family geared, I guess. I found the perfect title for my romance film, Christmas and Boyfriends. It just seems so perfectly generic that I thought it would work. Since this is Boyfriends, I decided to be about two dudes, maybe ex-boyfriends trying to win her heart back. It doesn't necessarily have to be that. Or maybe one of them is like a fake boyfriend. Who knows? Of course, it could be the other way around, but that doesn't usually happen in these sort of rom-coms, although I'd love to see that. I gave the guys Christmas outfits to help emphasize the idea that this is a Christmas in July movie, just in case the viewers were confused by the title. I dressed the girl in winter clothes, and I had to look up fashion references since I apparently have no sense of fashion, hence the reason why I'm an animator and not a vlogger. I also kind of forgot what Santa Claus looked like, so I had to search up a reference. I hated the red background, so I changed it to light blue later on. I also didn't shade the cover since I wanted to move quickly to the second piece. The second title I made was The Origins of Christmas. I decided this would be more of a heartfelt film. And what's more heartfelt than a puppy? Nothing. Nothing is more heartfelt than a puppy. Honestly, I had no idea what I was going to do for this. I just tried to create something that seemed wholesome. So, a child and a dog. Those, I don't know how much more wholesome you can get with those. Like, if you got something else, then feel free to leave in the comments. But yeah, that was the best thing I could come up with. The other piece had 3 separate human beings, so I was actually pretty drained, like creatively and also physically, because it's 3 people with their own, like, clothes. I treated this artwork as more of a relaxation piece. It was a lot more soothing to draw. It didn't look like a Christmas movie at all, so I started looking back at the movie covers to see what would make it a little more Christmassy. I gave the girl a thick jacket and a red shirt with a Christmas tree, but it obviously wasn't enough. So I added a lot of snow. I actually copy and pasted the snow from the previous cover, and it immediately looked so much better. I also added snow on the dock just for a little emphasis. Overall, I really enjoyed making this piece. It was lighthearted and much less stressful for me to draw. Here are the finished covers. What do you guys think? Looking at them, I kinda have some potential stories in mind. But honestly, I'm curious about your guys' thoughts on these covers. Both of them were so much fun to draw. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, webtoon. I try so hard to be so happy. Are you happy too? Do, do, do. do. Plan on this. You're no longer gonna be the plan I miss. I will never let you down, but just in case, can we do Christmas in July? Woo!